How do I even want to start this one? It's been a minute since I posted, but I'm super excited to bring you guys this video because it has been released before, but it has never been released on my channel. Today's December 17th. It is one day before the 2-year anniversary of Speed Racing Jason. I have a crazy video coming out for you guys. It's at least supposed to come out tomorrow, but you never really know. Like, I really hope it does, but I mean, I've been pulling my hair out a little bit. I've probably put in like 100+ hours, and that's why I haven't really been posting on the channel. I have interviews in it.
No way.
But are we talking just you to me or me to the camera?
No, right now it's just me to you.
Okay.
I have all sorts of old clips.
This is for all those YouTubers out there.
I mean, it's going to be crazy, and I really hope you guys check it out. One of the people that I interviewed was my friend Chase.
Chase Ryan. I heard that your middle name is Ryan, so is mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, 1 second. Let me just grab this for you. Chase Ryan Productions. So around this time last year, I was lucky enough to see this man inside of a Walmart. I've known him for a very long time. All the way back since high school, and I was actually buying wrapping paper because I'd seen all those like, oh, drift videos around Christmas time, and so I was gonna put wrapping paper all over the car. So I was there and I saw Chase, and then I went over to Ethan's house, started wrapping up the 240, and of course it was like raining a little bit. It wasn't really working.
I remember it just started coming down, and like it was starting to get dark out, and I just was like, okay, I'm gonna call Jason. And I called you, I was like, okay, you want to meet like halfway in between your house and my house, like on the back roads? And and we meet up, and I remember it took you forever, because I don't know what you were doing, but you were stalling on something.
I was convincing my parents to let me go do it.
Oh, I remember you pull up, and your car's just covered in Christmas lights. Like, I just was not expecting it at all. You had some elf costume on or something. I was like, this is going to be a really dope video. And I hopped in the back of your car. It was you and Ethan. I don't know if there was any seatbelts. Like, I was just floating in the back seat, and I just like had my camera, and I was like flying all over. I was like, you know, if I die, it's gonna be so worth it. This is gonna look really sick on camera. It was such a fun video to film. Overall, it was a dope collaboration with the 240. Just shout out Speed Racing Jason for the crazy drifting skills. But if you want to see more like drifting cinematic stuff too, I have a YouTube channel that me and my buddies run called M Gang, which is just M space gang. Yeah, anyways, you can just subscribe to that if you want to check out more stuff, and me and Jason will probably definitely do some more drifting cinematics too in the future. Some more collaboration.
I just really want to make it very clear, I did not edit or film this particular video. I filmed my own video on it. But Chase came along for the ride, and he killed it like he always does. And he has been so gracious enough to give me the video since he took down the old channel. You can find all of his new stuff, and I very strongly recommend you do, because he makes the coolest car shit. Go hit him up. Follow him on Instagram, subscribe to his YouTube channel, tell him that like I sent you over there. I think that would be pretty entertaining. Like, I don't know how many people would actually listen to me, but like I got a bunch of subscribers like that one time. So like, go over to Chase's channel, literally say Speed Racing Jason sent me here if you actually do it. And you better fucking do it. Like, it's not really an option at this point in time, so get to it. Love you guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Follow me on Instagram. Pray that it snows here in Oregon, and me and him can do another one this year. We've still got like 7-8 days till Christmas. It's very possible. And sometimes it snows in February, so Oregon weather sucks. But hope for the best. Merry Christmas. Enjoy.